Online encyclopedia Wikipedia has millions of entries, and new ones are added every day. It is such a trusted source of information that its site is the 10th most visited worldwide. How does Wikipedia manage to create so much content and with such high quality? Wikipedia embraces the power of the crowd by allowing thousands of individuals, each with their own unique skill sets, to contribute whatever they know. However, how does Wikipedia know that a new entry is original and not plagiarized? It would take humans hundreds of years to verify each and every new entry. And this would make the business model unsustainable. But Wikipedia doesn't do that. Wikipedia runs a series of automated bots which inspect every word uploaded on its page to ensure that they meet the requirements. But bots themselves cannot fix a mistaken entry. So whenever a bot spots a piece of text in one of the entries that is suspect, it flags it for human attention. And it is then again a human with his unique skills who steps in and fixes the problem. In the fourth industrial revolution, successful companies leverage the power of different skill sets to achieve collaborative intelligence. How does your company leverage the crowd and combine humans and machines to achieve unprecedented results?